everybody, welcome to my channel, Naturally-Roshani here. Today I will be preparing henna deep conditioning mask. Go ahead guys and just read the instructions up on the screen. If you are new here, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Thank you so much, I appreciate you. If you are a returning subscriber, thank y'all so much for your ongoing support. Go ahead and share this video with your friends. Yes guys, yes, I will see you guys on my next video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video for today. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Until next time, guys.